All right, we're about to find one of my favorite fey rivers here. Now, when you're going along this secret trail, one of the most important things to remember when finding this is, of course, the Narnian lamppost. If it wasn't for this completely out-of-place lamppost connected to basically nothing in the woods, it'd be very hard to find Narnia and other fey-filled places. And let me bring you down the river here. Now, unfortunately, there's some developers that have taken over the other side. But as you can see, we can come down in here. Let's take a peek. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh, you could already feel the magic. Now we have to ask permission before we actually get too close and announce our presence. Fey, may we come? I'm feeling invited. Let's go. Oh, they're definitely here. Intentional. That was completely intentional. Now, this river has been a playing ground for as long as time has been around. We're just going to enjoy it together. Let all your worries wash away. Let them fall over the rocks. Remember to breathe. Remember to feel love in every moment of your life, and joy. Remember that pain is a choice, and you can change that into a different feeling. And now the fairies are telling me to shut up.